Here's the science behind the burbling sound of water being poured. When you pour water from a jug or a bottle, you may have noticed a distinct burbling sound. But have you ever wondered why this happens? The sound is actually caused by the interaction between the water and the air as it is being poured. As the water flows out of the container, it creates small air bubbles that rise to the surface. These bubbles then collapse, creating tiny shock waves that produce the burbling sound. But what determines the pitch of the sound? It turns out that the size of the bubbles plays a role. Smaller bubbles produce higher pitched sounds, while larger bubbles produce lower pitched sounds. The speed at which the water is poured also affects the sound. If the water is poured slowly, the bubbles have more time to rise and collapse, resulting in a slower and more rhythmic burbling sound. On the other hand, if the water is poured quickly, the bubbles rise and collapse more rapidly, creating a faster and more chaotic sound. Interestingly, the shape of the container can also influence the sound. Containers with narrow openings tend to produce higher-pitched sounds, while containers with wider openings produce lower-pitched sounds. So the next time you pour water and hear that familiar burbling sound, remember that it's all due to the interaction between the water, the air, and the size and speed of the bubbles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and updated videos on science research. Like and share this video to spread the knowledge, because as they say, knowledge is power.